In this activity, the students did research about kites. They worked in cooperative groups. We established guidelines for the format of the unit and rules for cooperative learning, that they need to work together and share information. They did research about kites, and they chose which sections they were going to research, and then they compiled the information that each student gathered in their research and are in the process of putting this into a book, an informational booklet form.
The students begin the day by thinking about what information they should include in their booklets about kites.
What kind of information, if we were going to make a book about kites, what kind of information do you think would be best to include?
How to fly.
How to fly a kite, okay.
How to make a kite.
How to make one. What else? Francisco? You don't know? What else do you think?
Maybe where was the first place they fly.
Okay. History.
Next, they use a graphic organizer to list information they already know about kites, as well as what they want to learn about kites.
What else do I need? What other kind of weather do I need?
Wind.
Okay. Now off, when you're talking about weather, make another arrow here off. And can you tell me something else about the weather? Maybe what kind of weather would be the worst to fly a kite in? Or maybe weather to avoid?
Rain.
The students then use various resources, including books and the internet, to find important information about kites.
A kite was used to carry the first line across the Delaware River in order to build the bridge from New York State to Kansas.
Cool. Yeah, write that down. Wow, there are a lot of uses there. Some good vocabulary. 3 forces that act upon a kite to keep it aloft. What does that word mean? Can you put it in the context of the sentence and figure it out? There are 3 forces that act upon the kite to keep it aloft.
In the air.
Yeah, there you go. So, lift, gravity, and drag. 3 important words, don't you think? Maybe? Okay, why don't you put those down and then make arrows off so that you can make notes about what they are, so you can teach your classmates about it. Okay?
The teacher brings the students together so they can share their new knowledge with their classmates.
What else did we find?
I found about wind.
What did you find out about the wind?
Moving air or breeze or strong wind can blow objects upward. That's how
How does it blow objects upward? Who flew the first kites?
Chinese.
Chinese. Does everybody agree? Did anybody find any different information? Okay, when?
1,000 years to 4,000 years ago.
Okay, 4,000. One to 4,000 years ago. Good.
The students move outside to try to fly their kites. After organizing their information, the students begin to create their booklets using ClarisWorks.
Should I get the book?
You could, or you could explain how you made your kite. Now, something that I just explained to Mark, you have to have a subject, even in a question. How to make a kite is not a proper question. You could say, do you know how to make a kite? Or, how do you make a kite? Or how can I make a kite? Or
I'm just going to put. Do you know how to make it?
okay.
The students finished the day by journaling about the most important thing they learned.